Name is Hatter. This video is for Carmine over at Primary Plumbing and Heating. I made this short video for you guys in which I'll be showing you 3 things you could do today to bring more customers to your business. And if by the end of the video you like what you hear, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to be talking about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on the home page of your website right now. And when I say content, I'm talking about everything that's on here. Pictures, words, if you have any videos or not, all that stuff. Google loves content. The more, the merrier. So you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page by itself. That's definitely, you got to do that. And I see you made out the website. And there's a lot of things you could do here. Just when I initially look at it, like this is big blank spaces. You can definitely fill these out, put some pictures in there, maybe put a video, put a map. You can put a lot of things there, and definitely you can put more words in there too. Second thing I want to talk about today will be citations. Now, I pulled up a little quick Google search just to show you what customers will look at when they search any business. And the first thing you'll notice is this top section right here. This is called the Google Guaranteed section. It's a paid service through Google in which you have to go through a verification process with them. And once you do that, they allow you to advertise right here. It's a great place for a company to be because that's the first thing customers see, and it gives really strong leads. After that, we move down to the traditional Google Ads section right here, which is it's basically a hit or miss at this point, depending on how the ad is placed and who does it for you. And if it's done properly, it can definitely get you some leads. If done improperly, since it's pay per click, it could end up being a money pit. But it's definitely an option as well. After that, we come down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack. Here I'll explain to you what a citation is. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business information. That'll be your business name, phone number, and address. That counts as one citation. And this map pack is my big recommendation for any service business like yourself to try to get up in these top 3 spots, and we specialize that. After that, we move down to this section right here, which is referred to as the organic section. Over here, you'll find companies and websites which have beaten out the competition and outranked everybody else to make it to the first page of the Google search result. This is definitely the kind of place and page you want to be at. This gives the most leads and the most customers. Last thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. So backlink is basically any website out there which gives a link that goes to your website. And I use this tool right here called Ahrefs, and it's a monthly paid service that I use. They get their data directly from Google, and it shows me the different ways I can see the performance of any website. I've pulled up your website right here, and what I'm seeing right now is that you only have 10 referring domains, giving you 15 backlinks, but it's not giving you any keywords, and it's not showing that you have any traffic to your website. So let me just show you a little comparison to another competitor in New York City and what their numbers look like. Right here, as you can see, it's a really big difference, and I'll just run the numbers really quickly. They got more than 700 referring domains, more than 3,000 backlinks, more than 26,000 organic keywords, and they're getting at least 26,000 people visiting their website per month. Now, this is definitely the direction that you want to be headed towards. Let me go back to yours right now. So boosting all these numbers, and especially getting a move on all these ones, traffic to your website, is definitely very doable, and we specialize in that. And going back to your website, there's a lot of things, even simple things, that can be done to the website to make it really pop and look beautiful, and also make it really interactive and engaging for the customers. So I hope you found this video to be educational for you, and if you want to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. And also, if you could give me some feedback on what you thought about this video and how I did. With that, I thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.